Have you experienced that nagging issue, tightness and pain in between your shoulder blades? And because that gets tighter and tighter, it tends to radiate towards your neck and head and maybe lead to headaches, neck aches, or tension. Now, in this video, we're going to work on how to separate those shoulder blades in order for you to get some open and expansion in that area. Now, it might be as simple as rounding your upper back or just spreading the shoulder blades, but I'm going to talk about a quick nuance that could make a difference into that exercise. So, let's go right to the video. Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel. So let's talk about the area between your shoulder blades. So there's muscle between there, like the rhomboid, your trapezius muscle, that goes from the shoulder blade to the spine. And what we're trying to do is increase, kind of like make a stretch, so increase the distance between those two bones. So if I stretch, or when I reach my shoulder blade, so if I actually, let's say my shoulder blade squeezed here, what I'm looking forward to do is when I kind of reach my shoulder blade, there's distance between my spine and my shoulder blade. And what often happens is a common pattern or a compensation is the person rotates their trunk as they reach. So I'll give you a quick example. As they reach, instead of creating this distance between the shoulder blade and the chest, or the spine, excuse me, is they reach and do this. And they might get a small stretch with that, but because the distance between the spine and the shoulder blade doesn't increase, they don't create that expansion as much as you want to. So we're going to use more of a regressed exercise for now to just get you to feel these things, but let's give it a try. So one thing to get is somewhere it could be a water bottle, some weight that gives you feedback, and a bench or a chair to get you set up. Right? So this here, so what a lot of people do, if you can take a look at me here, is when they spread the shoulder blade, so I'm going to try to spread my shoulder blade, their chest starts to turn away to the other side. And that movement is fine, it's normal, but it doesn't mean that the tissue between that is lengthening. So the thing to realize is if I'm getting my shoulder blade protracting or widening, let the chest or your sternum stay straight or turn to the right a little bit, and then let your shoulder blade just relax. So note that I'm trying not to turn my chest to the left as I let the weight open me. I hope this creates, you can kind of see it. So if I let my shoulder blade go and rotate, I don't really get a stretch. I get a stretch, but it's not between the shoulder blades. All right, again, I'm going to make it exaggerate. So I'm here, I'm opening, I'm not trying to turn my chest as I make that stretch and then come back. I hope that was relatively clear visually and it makes sense. If you tend to try to stretch your upper back, but you kind of fail to, or you don't get as much of efficiency, see if you notice you rotate, and hope this helps. And I'll see you in another video.